Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to show your battery percentage in your Windows 11. So as you can see in my Windows, I don't have my battery percentage here. So if I want to see how much my battery is, I have to click on it and it will show like this. I want to make it appears here the percentage, so I will show you how to do it. So first in your desktop you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, hit enter, and then in your setting page you can go to your system here, and then you can scroll until you find power and battery here. Click on it, and then in this power and battery there will be battery percentage. So if you scroll down you will find battery percentage here. You can just click to turn it on. Click this toggle. And it will appear here, your battery percentage, beside your battery logo. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.